Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here are 5 methods to fix Telegram too many attempts. Please try again later error. So method number 1 is wait for some time. Give it a few minutes to a few hours before trying again. Step number 2 is to clear app cache. On Android, go to settings, tap on apps, and then go to Telegram, then click on storage, then tap clear cache. For step number 3 is to update Telegram. Check for updates in the App Store or Google Play Store and install the latest version. Step number 4 is to check internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. And lastly is to restart your device. Rebooting your phone may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. And that's it. These steps should help you fix the issue. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!